Hey people, in this video let's unbox the brand new phone from Xiaomi, that is the Mi A3. The phone comes in 3 colors, namely kind of grey, not just blue and more than white color. Let's quickly unbox the phone. Inside the box we find the phone itself, a silicone case, 10 watts travel adapter and USB Type-C cable. Mi A3 is following the trend of 2019. It comes with triple camera setup with Gorilla Glass 5 at the front and at the back. Phone comes with Snapdragon 665 processor with 4/6 GB of RAM and 64/128 GB of internal storage. Mi A3 is packed with 4000 mAh battery, which is better than Mi A1 and Mi A2. And yes, headphone jack is back on Mi A3, which was skipped for Mi A2. Top of the display houses the speaker grill and 32 megapixel selfie camera with a water drop notch. It is followed by 720p Super AMOLED display. And yes, it comes with in-display fingerprint scanner, which is not as fast as OnePlus 7 Pro. The best part of this phone is that it runs on stock Android with Android Pie. That's it about this unboxing experience. Soon I shall make more videos on Mi A3. Till then, stay subscribed and I will catch you guys in the next one.